Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today our word is authorize, a C1 level verb meaning to give official permission. To authorize something means to formally approve or permit it, giving someone the power or right to do something. In everyday language, it means that you are officially allowing something to happen. A good synonym for authorize is permit. For example, the school permitted students to leave early today. Another synonym is sanction, as in the government sanctioned the project. Antonyms for authorize include prohibit, as in the sign prohibited parking in this area, and forbid, as in my parents forbid me from going to that concert. We use authorize in many everyday situations. For instance, your bank may ask you to authorize a transfer, or your boss might authorize your vacation days. Here are some usage examples. The CEO had the power to authorize the budget. The document needs to be authorized by a notary public. Or, did you authorize that purchase? And she didn't authorize him to speak on her behalf. So remember, authorize means to give official permission. That wraps up our word for today. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. We'd also love for you to create your own sentence using the word authorize and share it as a comment under the video.